So this is the Aprilia Tuono V4 we've just had come in. Really nice bike, as it should be with this sort of age and mileage. Little to no miles on a 22 plate. Very nice colour scheme, very standard bike, very unmolested, untouched. It's got a standard rear tailpiece, standard silencer. Very genuine bike. As they have done for a long time, it comes with the APRC package, which is all the different controls such as launch control, wheelie control, traction control, cruise control. In terms of condition, it's completely unmarked, even the bolt heads are as they should be on this age and condition bike. It is all it should be. The rear wheel's lovely, stainless swinging arm, Brembo brakes. Do a little walk around it, try and get to all the angles. Really love the swinging arm on these. Such a nice finish. Got little bobbins. Rear shock's lovely. Obviously it's got, like I said, it's got launch control. You can turn the traction control, wheelie control off or on at your leisure. It's all fully adjustable. Traction control, wheelie control. At the top here you can see it's got riding modes, which just slightly affects your throttle placement and control. Just makes it a lot easier for different weathers. If we start it up, really nice drum boys the V4s do. Really throaty, sounds brilliant even on the standard exhaust. Lovely bike.